make sure to stay till the end. It may not be the fuse, or you may need a special procedure after replacing the fuse. We'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Challenger. If you have one of those and you have problems where rear right stop light, brake light does not work, you're trying to find which fuse is for it, stay with us, we'll explain that in this video. Today we'll talk why it's super important to test fuses and what else you may need to do after replacing the fuse, guys. In some cases you may need a special tool, all that will be covered in this video today. So before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything for a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can save a fortune. So let's explain how to fix that now. So most people naturally will open the hood, guys, and they will look at the fuse box that's actually right here under the hood. You can see you have one fuse box right here. They will try to open and find that fuse there, but it's not. Actually, that fuse is not here, guys. And yeah, we just got a new decal sticker. Let us know what you think about that one, guys. So we need to come towards the back. Okay, when we come towards the back right here, car was in a little bit of a fender bender. We'll be fixing it soon. Runs and drives like a champ. We'll come towards the back. Okay, open the trunk right here, and you will need to lift up, okay, the cover right here in order to get to the spare tire and the car battery. Now, it's recommended, guys, on these modern cars to disconnect the car battery when replacing fuses and relays, and on these modern vehicles it really matters which battery terminal you disconnect and reconnect first. If you do it the wrong way, you can actually, guys, burn modules, computers, and that can cost you thousands of dollars. How we know that? We burn an airbag module on a Mercedes that cost $2,000. So check out, there is a video that explains which battery terminal to disconnect first. Now you're going to come right here, that's the fuse box. You're going to open it just like that and flip the cover on the side. Perfect, just like this one. What you have here specifically, these are, guys, the fuses. Now, common mistake people make, they do not test fuses. Sometimes they will not be able to clearly see if the fuse is good or bad, or you may think it's a good fuse but actually it's a bad fuse. Always test them, otherwise you may put the bad fuse back in and you will spend money on parts you don't need, time to fix a problem that doesn't exist. So always test fuses. We'll put a special link to a video in the description of the video below that will teach you how to test fuses, relays, and where to buy cheap fuses and relays from. So what do we need now? Okay, which fuse that we need to check now? So the fuse that we need to check now here, guys, coming from the very left, even if you have a missing one, you still count it. It's fuse number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That fifth fuse here, also known as fuse number F6. So we're going to go ahead and grab it, guys. You can see, and pull it out. If you need to buy a new one, we'll put the link in the description of the video below, but you just get a new one and push it back in practically and you will be ready to go. It goes either way. Now tail light should be working. If it's not, it could be something else. Let's talk about that now. Let's see the stop lights, brake lights. Yep, it works. So what else could be causing that? Sometimes if they burnt or something, or a fuse was bad, the body control module of that Dodge, guys, it can actually, guys, disable that function. So you will need a scanner like that. This is amazing too. I'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can buy it from, but it works on almost any car you can think of. And it can access every computer system in your car, read codes, delete codes, and see live data, which is very, very important, guys. You need to reset the codes and that should fix the problem. If not, there is a problem somewhere else. And these modern cars have more than 50-60 computers sometimes, like that BMW here. So you need a tool like that, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.